What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and let's go over Shiba Inu and baby Dogecoin today. So first of all, we're gonna go over Shiba Inu. So this is the Shiba Inu chart, and as you can see, everything has kind of just started been dipping recently, and it hasn't just been Shiba Inu. It's been Dogecoin, it's been baby Dogecoin, it's been everything, honestly. And let's just go back over here to CoinMarketCap to show that. Look at this: Bitcoin 5.40% for 7 days. In the last 24 hours, we're at 2%. And then Ethereum 5% in 24 hours, and then 17% inside the whole 7 days. Cardano 12%, and we have Dogecoin at 16%. And then we have Shiba Inu actually lost a lot in the ranking. We were like ranked 28 and 30 not too long ago. Now we're ranked 33, 21% inside the last 7 days, 8% inside the last 24 hours. It definitely sucks to watch money go down that low. That definitely sucks. But anyways, let's move on because we're not here to talk about everything that we've lost. Let's talk about what we're gaining inside of Shiba Inu and inside of baby Shiba Inu as well. So this is the Shiba Inu holding address, the whole wallets and everything. 590,000 people are holding Shiba Inu. 590,000 people. That's a lot of people. We almost have 600k people holding Shiba Inu. So that's really good news there. And 3 reasons why Shiba Inu is one of the most bullish cryptos in the market. So I guess this is a little opinion based here, if you want to say. But anyways, let's go over those 3 quick. So Shiba Inu has a shaped and constructive bottoming pattern with precise support levels and trigger price. So we really do have some good support levels here with Shiba Inu. Let me back out here to the 50-minute chart so you can kind of see that in a bigger perspective. And right here, we have some heavy support down here. So even if we were to drop all the way down here, 0.00000005, we would only lose 1 digit. So we would just go down to the 5 number instead of 6, and that's kind of a really strong support that we've always had here with Shiba Inu. The same thing happened way back here, and I'll make some drawings here so you can see over here. And over here we have the same resistance, and we might actually end up hitting the same resistance again if we keep the support. The support. We may actually reach the same support line again if we continue to go down in the pattern that we're in. So everything's just kind of been dropping in the whole market. So hopefully we don't go that low, but if we do, it is another support line that we're probably going to hit and not go below. But it's good to have these support lines because we don't go below them. We just hit them, bounce right back up, and then retest the resistance like we did up here. It keeps retesting the same resistance, but we just never pass it. So hopefully we can pass it this next time because everyone's getting annoyed here with the whole crypto thing. But anyways, it's the FUD in the crypto market. It's not just one crypto going down, it's everything. It's the whole market. So all of the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt is making everything go down. So even the stock market is kind of doing a little bit of a downtrend. So everything's kind of going down and following each other. So that's something we got to look at. We have to remember that it's not just Shiba Inu. So we can't just get scared because Shiba Inu is going down. But anyway, ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange, portrays a meme token slowly evolved into a successful real-world use project. So yeah, you can actually stake Shiba Inu. So you can actually stake Bone, you can actually stake Lease, you can actually stake all this stuff and earn your crypto, earn that interest. This is an actual thing. You can earn interest with this. So it's better than an actual savings account. It's better than stocks because you get more return on investment. You get more of your money back. You're getting money in staking, and you're also getting money. You're getting that interest, and you're also getting the increase in the price. So that's something you have to watch with Shiba Inu and ShibaSwap. So anyways, the supply of SHIB on exchanges has fallen to early June levels, and more importantly, below the 30-day simple moving average. So honestly, they're just looking at this at a technical point. I'm looking at it more fundamental because yes, technically we kind of are on a little bullish, not bullish, but look at this. We have resistance here, we have it here, and we have it here. We have support here, and now we're about to have it again here. So it's definitely key to watch that we keep hitting the same support, the same resistance. So that's very important to watch there. And hopefully this next time around, we can just pass that resistance with no problem. But anyways, let's move on from the technicals. So Shiba Inu crypto news, 7 things to know about the SHIB CertiK audit results. So these are 7 things you need to know about the SHIB audit results. I talked about them yesterday, and then the day before that I also talked about them. So let's go over the results again and talk about why it's important that we have these results that we have. So the audit found 34 total issues of the entire ecosystem, and of that they already solved 33. So the issues ranged from informational, the lowest in danger of error types, to major. No critical issues are present because they fixed them all. So they fixed all of them. So anyways, as of this morning, developers have resolved 33 issues, like I said, and the most major of these issues are a series of security threats regarding the owner address and centralization issue. So we're going to go over that in depth. So notably, the audit points out the owner's ability to withdraw tokens from the liquidity pool and put them into arbitrary addresses. So they're saying that the owner is able to literally withdraw tokens from the liquidity pool and put them in whatever address I guess he wants. So they're saying this is a problem right here, and it is, but they're going to explain why it doesn't matter, because Shiba Inu they just got everything on lock. So let's keep reading. This can make investors quite uneasy considering recent fears around rug pull. You know what that means. So it also means bad news if the address were ever to be compromised. So anyways, a hacker could rug pull holders. So if someone hacked, they could literally rug pull the holders. So anyways, to mitigate these fears, this is why I said Shiba Inu has it on lock. To mitigate these fears, the developers are implementing a multi-signature feature to the wallet. 9 addresses are now the voting board over transactions to and from the owner wallet. So literally 9 addresses, 9 different people, they are now on a voting board. So nothing can happen inside of this whole liquidity thing. Nothing can happen without the 9 people signing off on it. So this is very good news here, and they're implementing a multi-signature feature to the wallet. So that's really good news that liquidity wallet is now having that multi-signature feature there. So multiple people have to sign it, 9 people. So total of 9 people on that voting board, probably the top holders of Shiba Inu, and it's good news there. So anyways, outside of security issues, the audit is allowing developers to correct any unforeseen coding errors that could lead to exploits. So definitely good news that they got it audited like that. So the audit shows that Shiba team is heeding most of Certic's advice to close errors. So they're working really hard on this. There has been a lot of stuff. I've been really critical of the whole Shiba swap just because I want to make sure that it's 100%, 100% sound and no security issues at all. But it's been looking pretty good lately. So I'm definitely surprised that they've finished it and actually released it this early. I thought Shiba Swap wasn't going to come out till like August, but luckily it happened now. So anyway, does the new Shiba Swap exchange vindicate meme tokens validity? I think it does. I mean, I think this really solidifies Shiba Inu inside the whole crypto space, because you can now literally stake Shiba Inu here. You could bury it, as they call it. So there's a lot of different things, and there's 3 tokens that come with Shiba Inu. There's Leash and there's Bone. So there's a lot of different things about Shiba Swap. You don't even have to be really big with Shiba Inu on Shiba Swap, But anyways, you can mess with Bone, you can mess with Leash. Both of them are good cryptos, so I'm definitely happy that those are both there. But let's move on to baby Shiba Inu, because I know that's what everyone wants to see today. So anyways, there's not much news going on with baby Shiba Inu, but I want to show you something about the price action that we're having. And we've been having these huge spikes inside baby Shiba Inu. We're gonna kind of go over why we're having these huge spikes. They're not huge spikes. Let me reiterate myself. They're not huge spikes, but they are sudden jumps. And when you see jumps like this inside of a crypto that only has 23,000 holders, when you see a not huge jump, I keep saying huge jump, but when you see a jump like this or a drop like this and something with only 23,000 people holding it, there was a significant whale that came in and bought a significant amount for it to go up that much. The same thing when it went down. A whale had to sell a significant amount for it to take that sharp drop down. That's a whale's doing that. So it's not just one person doing it. It's not a bunch of people doing it. It is a whale that makes it do the sudden drop. When it goes down settle like that, that's people selling over time. And then when it just suddenly drops, this is something that we call a whale. So yeah, the whales are doing this. So $12.5 million right now inside the market cap for baby Shiba Inu. So that's pretty good. Honestly, I mean, 12.5 million, there's a lot of room for growth here. Just think about all the different dog coins that are at like 1 billion in market cap. Like, think about Dogecoin, think about Shiba Inu, think about baby Dogecoin, and now baby Sheep could actually literally go from 12.5 million in market cap all the way up to 1 billion in market cap. If it does that, that's 100x right there. So I'm really watching this and I'm waiting for it because I want to see it happen. I want to see you guys make money. So don't get left out on this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. So take your own advice on it. Don't follow me. Do your own thing, because remember, everyone has a different situation and a different investing, strategy. So do your own advice and do your own due diligence. Let's move on from this topic though. So the next thing with the baby Shiba Inu, yes, they are now fixing the whole problem with CoinGecko. I mentioned this in my previous video, how you couldn't see the liquidity, you couldn't see the 24-hour trading volume, you couldn't see the market cap or anything on CoinGecko. You couldn't even see the chart. But now they have it up and live. So as you can see here, Now we are finally on CoinGecko. No problems. We still have to wait for this market cap to get on here and for everything to clear up with that. But at least we have, this here. And now we just need to get on CoinGecko, or not CoinGecko, Coinbase. We need Coinbase to, kind of fix their stuff up, because everything has been just crazy with the whole baby Shiba Inu, baby Doge. Now they got Floki Inu. It's hard for them to keep up with this type of stuff. So whenever they finally put it on Coinbase or CoinMicrocap, it will definitely help out the price of baby Shiba Inu and kind of solidify it in a way. So hopefully they do that and solidify us inside the media. But anyways, baby Shiba Inu to the moon, baby Dogecoin to the moon. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But over here, it says maybe if it sees a Shiba Inu, the car renders a Dogecoin. This, I talked about what Elon Musk said. So he's actually going to make a car render Dogecoin. I don't know if he's actually going to do that, but hey, have at it. If he actually wants to make Tesla's able to mine Dogecoin, that would be pretty cool. But anyways, this is all I have for you today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back on another video. Peace.